Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from radical expressions. Here we have to evaluate fifth root of 400 over root 5 plus 176. So let's get started by writing expression equal to x. Now I will raise both sides power 5. So it will give us x power 5 equal to 400 divided by root 5 plus 176. Now I will multiply with root 5 in the numerator and denominator here. Now denominator will be 5. So I can write 400 square root 5 over 5 plus 176 or 80 square root 5 plus 176. This is x power 5. Now we can write conditions on x. So x power 5 is positive. For real x, x must be positive. So we will accept only x positive values. Now I will consider y power 5 also, which will be equal to 80 square root 5 minus 176. Now I will subtract second equation from first one. So I can write x power 5 minus y power 5 equal to 176 plus 176, 352. This I will call equation number 1. Let's multiply these two, x power 5 times y power 5. X power 5 times y power 5 equal to 80 square root 5 plus 176 times 80 square root 5 minus 176. A plus b, a minus b, we can write a square minus b square. A square is 80 root 5 whole square, 32,000. B square is 30,976. This difference will be 1024, which we can write 4 power 5. Left hand side it is xy whole power 5. After taking fifth root both sides, we will get xy equal to 4. This I will call equation 2. Now we have two equations. X power 5 minus y power 5 equal to 352 and xy equal to 4. Now from this equation, I will write y equal to 4 over x. And I will apply here 4 over x whole power 5 equal to 352 or x power 5 minus 4 power 5 over x power 5 equal to 352. Now I will use substitution. X minus 4 over x equal to a. This is our substitution. Now I can write condition on a also. If we will see the value of x power 5, it is approximately 354. So I can write x power 5 is greater than 3 power 5. 3 power 5 is 243. So x must be greater than 3. So 1 by x would be less than 1 by 3. So 4 by x would be less than 4 by 3. Now you can see x minus 4 by x will be 3 minus 4 by 3, which will be always greater than 0. So a must be positive for real solutions. Now I will consider squaring and cubing of this equation. Let me write here x minus 4 over x equal to a. Here we will take squaring and here we will take cubing. So I will be writing here x square plus 4 square over x square minus 2ab. So minus 2 times 4, x and x will be over, equal to a square. Or I can write x square plus 4 square over x square. This will be equal to a square plus 8. Now come to cubing. So I will be writing x cube minus 4 cube over x cube. A cube minus b cube is over. Minus 3ab. So minus 12. X and x will be cancelled out. In bracket x minus 4 over x, which will be a, equal to a cube. So x cube minus 4 cube over x cube. This will be equal to a cube plus 12a. Now I will multiply these two equations. Let me call equation 3 and 4. This is 3. This is 4. Now I will write 3 times 4. So I will be multiplying. Let me multiply here. X square plus 4 square over x square times x cube minus 4 cube over x cube. Right hand side, a square plus 8 times a cube plus 12a. Let's multiply. So I will be getting x power 5 direct product. This and this will give us minus 4 power 5 over x power 5 plus. Now I will cross multiply. So 4 square over x square times x cube. It will be 4 square times x. Now x square times negative 4 cube over x cube. I will write negative 4 cube over x. Right hand side. A power 5, 12a cube plus 8a cube, 20a cube plus 12 times 8, 96a. Now this value we know. It is our equation number 1. So this value was 352 plus. If I will take 4 square common, so let me write 16, then in bracket x minus 4 over x. And right hand side would be as it is, a power 5 plus 20a cube plus 96a. Now this value is x minus 4 by x. We can write again a. So this will become 352 plus 16a equal to a power 5 plus 20a cube plus 96a. Take all the terms to RHS. So a power 5 plus 20a cube, 96 minus 16, 80a minus 352 equal to 0. This is one quintic equation. Let us solve here. Let me write equation once. A power 5 plus 20a cube plus 80a minus 352 equal to 0. I will use rational root theorem. So let us find out the eligible factors of constant 352 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 and so on. Now leading coefficient, if you will see, it is plus minus 1 only. Now we will take ratio of constant to leading coefficient. So in this context, I will consider a equal to 1 first. Will it satisfy? 1 plus 20 plus 80 minus 352. No, it is not. Let us check second value, a equal to 2. 2 power 5, 32 plus 20 times 8, 160. 80 times 2, 160 minus 352. So 320 and 32, 352. Yes, it is true. That means a equal to 2 will be our base solution. Now I will use synthetic division method. Here I will write all the coefficients of quintic equation first. So 1, a4 is not there, so 0. Coefficient of a cube 20. A square is missing, so 0. Coefficient of a is 80. Constant is minus 352. Now leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. 2 times 1, 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 24. 2 times 24, 48. 48. 2 times 48, 96. 176. 2 times 176, 352. Addition will be 0. So here we have coefficients for quadratic equation. Let me write here a power 4 plus 2a cube plus 24a square plus 48a plus 176 equal to 0. Now I will conclude one statement from here. If you will see all the coefficients of this quadratic equation, it is non-negative. All coefficients are positive. So the real a which will satisfy here, it would be a negative only. But as per our condition, a should be greater than 0. Here a is negative. So we will reject this quadratic equation for real solutions. Rejected. So only a equal to 2 will be true and satisfy our real requirements. So a equal to 2. A was our substitution. It was x minus 4 over x equal to 2. Now I will multiply both sides by x. So it will give us x square minus 4 equal to 2x, or x square minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Let us apply quadratic formula. Minus b, so minus of minus 2 plus minus under the root b square minus 2 square is 4 minus 4ac, so plus 16 divided by 2a, so 2. So x will be equal to 2 plus minus square root 20, which we can write 2 square root 5 divided by 2. So x will be equal to 1 plus minus root 5. So if I will write here x equal to 1 plus root 5 and 1 minus root 5, then we will accept the first one as it is positive. We will reject the second one as it is negative. So our final solution for this problem would be x is equal to root 5 plus 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Bye bye.